So if your soft top latch is worn on your Miata, you're gonna see something like this. There's a small gap, so it doesn't lock it in place. So we're gonna be fixing that today. So just want to pop off both latches. And you're just gonna unscrew here, here, and here to get it off. Well, basically you just need screwdriver, drill bit, the driller, and then yeah, you can do this. So just start by unscrewing the three screws here from like so. So this was attached like this. I just removed the 3 screws and then I got this off. So we're just going to drill right here, right at this mark. So I'm done here with the screw. Mine's a little bit off, but this should work. And yeah, so here it is. Locks into place. There you go.